Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be showing you how to buy crypto with a credit card on Trust Wallet. We're now in the Trust Wallet app. You can use either of the two blue buy buttons, which will take you to the screen where you can select the amount of crypto you want to purchase. We'll keep our crypto as BTC, but you can choose from other cryptocurrencies if you like. For example, $150 will get us this amount of BTC. Next, tap Google Pay, then select Pay With. Choose card and select your provider. We're using Binance Connect, so tap on that. Now, tap Buy Now. This will take you directly to your provider, in our case, Binance, and bring you to the payment screen. Tap Continue, enter your card information, and then hit Confirm. And that's it. Your crypto purchase is complete. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.